Happy beautiful day, everyone. We have some not so good news. So our van is actually in the shop. Not good news. It needs a new transmission. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. So meanwhile, since our van's in the shop and we can't build right now, we're just going to hang out around our area and do some things that we like. And today we're just going to take you for a little walk down to the lake with our beautiful dog, Zadie. She loves going on these walks and she loves playing in the water, so let's go. This is Lewis Smith Lake, and it is one of the largest man-made lakes. It was not made that large intentionally, but it overflowed, and a lot of houses got destroyed, which is really sad, and a lot of roads, and even like Major Highway 69 went under. Parts of that road's still here in the lake. I have walked on it and swam on it, but anyway, little fun fact here, this little pier over here where all these folks are swimming and fishing is where Jason proposed to me. I said yes, of course.
It's a nice little place. I like it.
I think so.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go find food. Oh yeah.
Hello, peoples. I've got me a smoked beer butt chicken. And I put the beer can in the butt and I just smoked her away. So delicious. It's so tender, it's just like falling apart. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's just so good. Here, take a bite of this.